Here we're going to have to solve for x with a rather complicated looking equation that contains several fractions. The first step is to figure out what the least common denominator is. In this problem, to find the LCD, I always want to write my terms that have no denominator as, in this case 5, as 5 over 1, so I don't confuse the numerator of the 5 with the common denominator. So looking at our denominators, we've got a 2, a 1, and a 3. That means the common denominator between those three numbers is going to be 6. Now, since we have an equation here, since we have an equals to sign, then what we can do, let's get rid of that, what we can do is called clearing fractions. To clear fractions, we're going to multiply our common denominator 6 by both sides of our equation, distributing it through. We're going to multiply it by the x minus 7 over 2, by the 5 over 1, and by the x minus 8 over 3. Okay, the next thing to do is to start reducing. So let me change colors here. You always want to reduce before you do any distributing here. So 2 and 6 reduces to a 3 and a 1. That leaves us with 3 times x minus 7 all over 1. Nothing reduces in the middle term, so 5 times 6 is 30. And on the far right-hand side, 3 and 6 reduce to a 2 and a 1, so we have x minus 8 times 2. Okay, the only thing we have left to do now is solve a linear equation, which has no fractions in it. So let's start by distributing. So this will become 3x minus 21. The minus 30 stays as it is for now. We can distribute from the front like we did here or from the back as long as it's multiplication. So this is going to turn into 2x minus 16. And we're just about finished. Let's see, let's combine our like terms over here. This will be on the left side 3x minus 51 equals 2x minus 16. And I've got two things to do. Let's move the x's over to the left-hand side. Since it's a positive 2x, we'll subtract. So we have x minus 51 equals negative 16. And then, since it's a negative 51, to isolate the x here, we'll add 51. So we get x equals, let's see, 51 minus 16 would be 35. So there's our answer.